I'm Greg Lemieux.
We're from Mount St. Michael Catholic School here in Dallas, Texas. We have this retreat every couple of years, and this year was the first time we've been here at Campus End, and we were blown away by how friendly and adaptable and perfect this facility was for our retreatants this year. All of the facilities are located in close proximity to each other, so we were able to have talks and small groups and eating times together. A lot of stuff we did outdoors. In Texas, you can do that in December. And we just had a really wonderful experience with the team here at Campus End.
Absolutely incredible. There were so many activities for the kids. It's beautiful out here. It's very much a place that feels away from everything, a place that you can actually take a retreat to. Very much surrounded by nature. You don't have to worry about anything. Everything you need is right here. It's perfect.
You know, the team that led our group this year, they do hundreds of retreats across the country. And they told us today that this is the best facility that they've been at, one of the best. And they've been to so many. And so to hear that was really, really great that it happened to be our retreat. So thank you.
Well, thank you. Here we are at Ascend. Check us out at www.ascendtexas.com, where we can service any need desirable, whether it's for your church, your corporate retreat, your school activities, any type of birthday party. We're here to help you out. We would love to have you come visit us. Thank you very much.